Hello, welcome to Yale Labs. I am here to recommend the Yale nexTouch lock. We put this bad boy through rigorous testing and quality assurance. Is it convenient? Pop in 4 AA batteries and you're good to go. Yale nexTouch is also easy to program and offers up to 500 unique codes. Use a PIN code or go wireless and integrate with your commercial automation system. Is it secure? With Grade 1 certification for strength and durability and keypad lockout to deter tampering, heck yes it is. And if your batteries die, simply touch a 9-volt to the front of the lock and it powers up for one-time entry. But what about privacy? We've done the research and people love privacy. That's why nexTouch has a built-in feature to give you complete privacy while preventing additional entry. So, go ahead, get weird behind that closed door. Can you feel effortlessly secure and look great? You betcha! Yale nexTouch products are carefully designed with the most styles and finishes on the market. Are you a touchscreen fan? We've got it. Or perhaps the classic push button is more your style. You can even keep it old school. Yale nexTouch is built to grow and meet your needs as they change. And sure, we could go on about how Yale nexTouch has quick installation and flexible programming, or that it's easy to upgrade existing openings. But instead, we'll tell you this. Yale has over 180 years of quality tested and approved product development experience. So you can leave the R&D to us, because Yale nexTouch has total security and convenience built in to keep you safe and protected, now and in the future.